Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best Switch Cover Dockable is probably one of the most essential accessories for any Nintendo Switch owner. It's designed to protect your console while also allowing you to dock it for TV play. But with so many options available, finding the right one can be a challenge. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Switch Cover Dockables, exploring their features, benefits, and helping you decide which one is the perfect fit for your gaming needs. Number 5. HEYSTOP Nintendo Switch Protective Case. This case offers complete protection. It safeguards the main console, grip, and screen. It protects the device from drops, shocks, scratches, and dust. The case is dockable, so you don't need to remove it. The soft and flexible TPU material allows it to fit perfectly in the dock station. It's easy to put on and take off. The split-type design allows you to detach the case. All ports and buttons are easily accessible. It's easy to hold in your hand. This thin, lightweight case feels great. It provides a comfortable, non-slip grip for extended gameplay. You'll receive the cover, 2 TPU cases for the grip, a tempered glass screen protector, and 6 thumbstick caps. Everything you need to protect your device is included. What we like. This case offers comprehensive protection, wrapping your Switch in a shield against drops and scratches. It's also dockable, meaning you don't have to remove it to charge. If you're a gamer who values complete protection and convenience, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Solid case protection with a nice aesthetic as well. Also, it's tight throughout on the unit, but once on the fit is very good and it protects well. Also comes with a good screen protector too. Number 4. eXtremeRate PlayVital Switch Protector, Matcha Green. This protective case is exclusively designed for the Nintendo Switch. It allows you to customize your Switch without replacing the original shell. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip. The case is designed with precise cutouts, ensuring all Switch features are accessible. You can easily remove the Joy-Cons without any hassle. Made with shock-absorbent and anti-scratch PC material, it provides full protection. It safeguards your Switch from everyday bumps, drops, scratches, and dust, extending its lifespan. The matcha green color gives it a great look. It is also anti-slip and sweat-resistant, which is perfect for long gaming sessions. Please note that some Switch docks might be tighter with the case on. Also, if your screen protector is thick, it might not be compatible. We recommend using a screen protector of medium thickness. What we like. This case lets you personalize your Switch with a unique color while providing a comfortable grip for extended play sessions. Its ergonomic design enhances your gaming experience. If you like to show off your personality and enjoy long gaming sessions, this case is a great fit. What people say. The case extends the Joy-Cons in a much more ergonomic and comfortable build that makes it much more pleasant to use the Switch in handheld mode. It fits perfectly on the Switch and is a matte feel, so there is no grip problems. The matcha green is such a beautiful color and looks even better than advertised. And the texture is very nice. Leaves absolutely no fingerprints and almost feels like it's a combination of silicone and plastic. Very easy installation and surprisingly easy to take apart as well. Number 3. SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Pro for Nintendo Switch OLED. This case offers military-grade protection, safeguarding your Nintendo Switch OLED from drops and impacts. It's designed to withstand daily wear and tear, keeping the device safe. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, even during extended gaming sessions. It fits perfectly in your hands, providing a secure and enjoyable experience. The integrated cover is dockable, allowing you to easily switch between handheld and docked modes. You don't have to remove the case to charge or play on the TV. It is specifically designed for the Nintendo Switch OLED model. It provides full access to all buttons and features, enhancing your gaming experience. This is the ultimate protection for your Nintendo Switch OLED. It combines durability, functionality, and style, making it the perfect accessory for any gamer. What we like. This case is built tough, offering military-grade protection to keep your Switch safe from serious impacts. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable gameplay, and it's fully dockable. If you're looking for the ultimate protection for your Switch, this is the one. What people say. The cover fits perfectly and allows the Switch to dock without any issues. The design is sleek and the cover feels durable. It protects the Switch from scratches and minor impacts. Number 2. Switch Protector Dockable Case, Protective Kit. This dockable case fits perfectly into your Switch dock, so you can charge it without removing the case. It's designed to protect your console from scratches, drops, and everyday wear and tear. The Joy-Con grip case is made of flexible, shock-absorbing TPU. It provides a non-slip, comfortable grip, so you can play for hours without any issues. Whether you're gaming handheld or using the Joy-Cons separately, it offers a secure feel. The clear case shows off your Switch's original design while protecting it from bumps and scratches. It has precise cutouts, so you can easily access all the buttons and ports without sacrificing protection. It includes a scratch-resistant tempered glass screen protector to keep your screen safe from cracks and fingerprints. Installation is easy with the included wipes and cloth, and it guarantees a bubble-free application. You get a full set of accessories, a dockable hard case, 2 TPU Joy-Con covers, a tempered glass screen protector, and 6 thumbstick caps. Enhance your grip and control with the joystick covers, ensuring smooth gameplay every time. What we like. This case allows you to dock your Switch without removing the case, offering convenience and protection. The Joy-Con grips provide a comfortable and secure hold. If you want a case that combines protection, comfort, and ease of use, you should consider this one. What people say. Everything slides into place and the tempered glass goes on easy without any bubbles. The casing for the Switch itself is hard plastic and it fits in its stand. With every component protected, I would recommend to anyone with little kids spend a few bucks to have unbeatable protection for their Switch. Number 1. COMCOOL Nintendo Switch Dockable Protective Case, Purple. This case is specifically designed for the Nintendo Switch. It fits perfectly in the dock without needing to be removed. This makes it incredibly convenient for everyday use. The Joy-Cons are easily accessible with this case. The eject buttons are readily available, allowing you to detach them without removing the entire case. This feature enhances the user experience. Made with shock-absorbent and anti-scratch PC material, it offers full protection. The case safeguards the console, Joy-Cons, and screen from bumps, drops, scratches, dust, and fingerprints. It's easy to install and remove. The design includes precise cutouts for all Switch features, including buttons and the kickstand. It also works seamlessly with the docking system. The package includes the dockable case, a screen protector, and thumb grips. Each case undergoes quality testing. If it doesn't meet your expectations, contact us for assistance. What we like. This case is dockable and allows easy detachment of Joy-Cons without removing the entire case. It's made of sturdy materials to protect your Switch from everyday wear and tear. If you value convenience and durability, this case will be a great choice. What people say. Case installed with no issues and allows for docking and removal of Joy-Cons with no issues at all. Love the color and included accessories. It slides right on and fits perfectly. Fit perfectly on my son's Switch. You wouldn't even know it was on it. Plus it came with a screen protector. It's been through a few pretty bad drops and it's still going strong a year later. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.